site ranking algorithm based on SEO metrics. And then next, I will present a bit later. So 2 recordings. Regarding technical issues, we won't be able to see the presenter live.
Work is about development of websites ranking algorithm based on SEO metrics. The development of the internet and web technologies has led to a growing demand for online sales. Online sales are an effective and convenient way for business to increase brand awareness, credibility with potential customers and sales. Through the internet and web technologies, both entities and companies sell their product and service. Moreover, companies create their websites for online sales, which is associated with high costs. Therefore, entities and small and medium-sized companies find it difficult to pay this cost. To solve this problem, many sites allow businesses to post information about their products or services so that they are easily accessible to end users. Today, there are many such websites. Their access creates a need for companies to make the right choice in the site selection. A general criterion for selecting a website for a business is that the site is easily searchable and visible to the user, which is responsible for search engine optimization. Sites that rank high in search engines are considered to meet high quality and reliability standards, thus increasing the credibility of that business. Many SEO metrics can be used to determine how advanced a website is in search engines. The use of the above helps us to select a highly rated site for our business, which is an actual issue for business today. The issue is organizes teams from the great practical importance of solving this problem. The SEO metrics are a way to measure your search engine optimization performance and make corrective changes based on metrics. When creating a website, if key metrics are not considered, the website's ability and search engine ranking will be overlooked. Key metrics are extremely important and directly impact Google's ranking factors. One of the reasons why search engine optimization can be effective is to control the metrics data and measure everything. So metrics provide key insight into how your organic search strategy is performing. In addition, SEO metrics can be called vital data point of a website to create a better strategy or to drastically improve an existing strategy. In our research, we have chosen the main metrics that provide important information about the websites as evaluation criteria. Organic traffic. This is the visitors who come to the website from various free sources. Simply put, it is free traffic. These sources include search engines such as Google, Yahoo, or Bing. Keywords ranking. This is a web page ranking and positions in search results for specific words. SERP visibility. The metric represents the estimated monthly traffic received by monitoring the keywords in the project. It is defined as a ratio of the search volume of the query to the click-through rate of the correct ranking position. Click-through rate. This is a ratio that shows how often people clicked on a hyperlink compared to who viewed these links. Bounce rate. Bounce rate is an important metric to measure a user's engagement on each page of a website. It shows which pages are more interesting for visitors and which pages can be improved. Web authority over time. This is a SEO concept that involves the overall power of a particular domain. Power in this case is the ability to probability of how a web page link are ranked in search engines. Page speed. Page speed is the loading speed which measures how quickly the concept of a web page loads. Conversion rate. A SEO conversion rate is a percentage of a specific actions taken by organic websites visitors. To calculate it, we need to divide the number of users who perform these actions during a specific period by the total number of visitors to the website. Trust. There are many scientific studies related to the evaluation and ranking of websites, for which multi-criteria decision analysis methods are actively used. In most of them, websites are evaluated by a human expert, which may not always give you an objective result. The problem is choosing high-ranking websites for businesses to post information about their services and product. The problem is similar to multi-criteria decision problem. The ranking algorithm is based on the entropy weight and TOPSIS method of multi-criteria decision analysis. TOPSIS is a multi-criteria expert method that is a mechanism for evaluating, ranking, and selecting alternatives. The TOPSIS method has many advantages in the multi-dimensional space of data processing. It is easy to use and programming. Here is the algorithm steps, and the first step is determination of the decisions matrix. To determine the decision matrix, the user must define the alternatives websites using a special API, which is application programming interface. We must evaluate the given alternatives according to the criteria. The second step is calculation of evaluation criteria weights. Step 2.1 is normalization of the decision matrix by means of the following formula. Step 2.2 is calculate the entropy using the following formula. Step 2.3 is calculate the vector of weights using the following formula. Step 3 is ranking of alternatives. Step 3.1 is normalize the matrix using the following formula. Step 3.2 is determine the weighted normalized matrix using the following formula. Next step is define positive ideal and negative ideal solutions as follows. Step 3.4 is determine the distance to the ideal positive and ideal negative decisions for each alternatives. And final step is calculate the alternative closest to the ideal decisions, which is calculated by the following formula. Here is our application. Um, the algorithm which is presented in our work is implemented by our web application, which has a responsive design so that it can be used to both on a computer and mobile device. The web API backend of the web application is developed on the .NET platform, and the frontend is developed using Angular. To use the application, users must register and authenticate because the application uses a paid API. We can log in on web page. And here is our web application interface, and this input URL, we can write our interested website. Next step is to click inspection button. For security policies, URL domain is hidden because for security policies. We have five five free web pages for test, and users who has paid this application, he or she has unlimited web access. After that, by clicking on the ranking button, the application will implement the algorithm and show the ranked websites according to the ranking, which clearly shows the best websites. Here is results. Um, high ranking websites are first. We can clear our results and log out. And finally, as a result of the research presented in our work, an algorithm and a web application have been developed which realizes a mentoring algorithm. The developed algorithm ensures evaluation of selected websites according to SEO metrics and their ranking. We have taken 8 basic SEO metrics as evaluation criteria for websites, which provide important information about the sites. But this does not mean that the presence of 8 criteria is necessary for the algorithm to work. Therefore, the algorithm allows to increase or decrease the number of evaluation criteria. A web application is a flexible tool for businesses to ease the website selection process and select the best site to display information about their products or service. Thank you for your attention.
So we would thank the authors if they could hear us, but maybe they will look the recording.